Hi, this is Mr. V, and in this video we are going to calculate the area of a triangle with mixed units. We'll start with a simpler example. Our rule for the area of a triangle is area equals a half times the base times the height. So I'm looking at my triangle, and this number here refers to this side. So that's going to be my base. And the tip of the triangle gives us the height, and we can read here, well, that gives us the height. So our base is 20 kilometers and our height is 9 kilometers. So going back to my rule, a half doesn't change, times the base, which is 20, times, let me just go back there, times the height, which is 9. And this is where I'll grab my calculator, and a half times the brackets 20 times 9 will give us 90. And now looking at my units, that is kilometers squared. In this second example, our units are mixed. We have 7 meters and we have 1700 centimeters. How do we solve that one? We'll once again start by stating the rule. Area equals a half brackets base times height. And again, I can see that my bottom length here is the base and my side length here is the height. But they're not in the same units. So I have to spend a second converting one into the other. I might just convert my base, which is 1700 centimeters, and I convert that by dividing by 100 to turn it into meters. 1700 divided by 100 is 17 centimeters. Now my area is equal to a half times the base, which is 17 meters. I made a mistake there. Let me fix that up. This is meters times 7 meters equals, and I'll once again grab my calculator to calculate what this number actually is, and that is 59.5 meters squared. Always check those units. And that is how we can calculate the area of a triangle, both when we have matching units and mixed units.